Good afternoon, everyone. I know it's been a little while. I'm still trying to take it easy and recovering from my surgery. I'm doing better, doing well, but I do have a Beebeecraft unboxing to do for y'all. So this is a nice and easy one I can, take care of and do, and excited to show y'all. It's a great program for anybody with that's got a starting out that has a crafting channel, and they have more than just silicone molds. They have stencils, they have beads, they have all kinds of different products on there. If you have at least 100 viewers, subscribers on your YouTube channel, you should check them out. They have, like I said, they have all sorts of different crafts on there. Go check them out. If it's anything you're interested in, they contact them. I will have the links in my description for getting in contact with them to be a part of their affiliate program. Like I said, you only need 100 subscribers, and they only require 3 videos. The first one is the unboxing video, and then the next 2 is showing how to use the products. And like I said, it just, whatever your craft is, you just showing how to do the how to use the products that you pick in your videos. And they don't want shorts; they want tutorial videos. So you just do that. You send them the links after you've uploaded them on YouTube, and that way they can verify that they've uploaded on there, and they'll continue on. And if you want to continue on with the program after you've done your first 3 videos, and they're happy with you, they may send you information to do it again. And this is my second time doing it, so I was happy to oblige. Some more molds and some more products and stuff. So let's get on and see what we've got here. So the first one I have here is going to be a 2-pack, and most of their stuff actually comes as it's not just like a single mold. It's often 2, 3, 4. Sometimes it's 1, depends on if it's a large one or something. But it's often 2, 3, or 4. Sometimes one of my personal orders, I had ordered some keychain ones, and it was actually a pack of 10. But that was a personal order one. And these will, straighten back out. They were just, in shipping, they get a little stretched out and squished in the bags and stuff. But they're candlestick holders. I figured if I actually let them sit down flat long enough, they probably will come about this way. I'll have to clean out dust and debris from in here, cat hair and stuff that's floating around. But this is the current U.S. price is $6.88 for the 2-pack of these. Prices for other countries may vary, but that's 2 for $6.88, and they're clear, so you can see through them. If you wanted to add any kind of specific embellishments to add UV to them. Let's see, the next one is going to be, and I will add the links to all of these in my description as well. This one is called a wizard robe, and there's 4 of these. And for 4, that's $13.39. So they're, you know, pretty tall. Where's my ruler here? 5 inches tall on the mold. There's 4 of them. Make them any colors you want. Translucent, colored, very stretchable. Can turn them inside out. Add chameleons down in there. And it's listed as a candle mold, so it's most likely, yeah, it's a matte mold. So if you wanted it shiny when it came out, you just have to do you can do a spray clear coat, or you could do a, you know, a coat of epoxy over it, or there's numerous ways to shine them up afterwards. But some people also like the matte color, the matte effect afterwards too. But that's not, you know, for 4 of them for $13.39. Get back in here. And they're all the exact same. And there's 4 of them. Oh, hold up. Let's see. Where's the next one? The next set is a set of 2 heart flower molds, and there's 9 hearts here with intricate flowers in there. So they're small enough you could do UV inside each of these, and then back coat them with regular epoxy if you wanted to. However you want to do them, use them as. They're absolutely very highly detailed, gorgeous. Let's see about. Where's the. See if I can get better view on here for showing the flowers. And this one, I think they actually call it, let me go back to it, Honey Handy Food Grade Silicone Pendant Molds, Resin Casting Molds for UV Resin, Epoxy Resin Craft Making, Heart with Flower White, 200 by 217 by 7 millimeter. And like I said, I will have all the links for everything listed in my description. And there's 2 of these, and it's $8.54 US. And I have one more, but it is not a mold. It's a stencil, and it'll probably be the first craft I attempt. Hopefully I won't make a horrible mess out of. And Yeah, tape stuck. There we go. So it's finger spire stencil. Let me get the camera turned back around. And this was $3.04. It's a goat flower stencil template, 11.8 by 11.8. And I'm going to do this with some fabric paints. One's going to be I'm going to start with doing the coloring of the flowers and stuff, and then I'll do a spray paint of white for the goat, because I have a fabric spray paint that's white. And then I'll have to let it dry and then do another layer, because it said it might need, you know, a couple of coats. So this will be my first time trying this on a shirt. Most of the time the shirts I've done were the Cricut iron-ons. Look, I said it right instead of Cricut. It's Cricut. But this time I'm doing the, I bought some fabric pens to do color in on here. Like I said, for that. And then I'm going to use a spray paint for the actual goat face. For parts of it, it's like some of the, you know, details will be done in black, but some of it will be sprayed in white. And probably some brown for the horns. But different colors for the flowers and the leaves. But that's going to be, you know, my idea for on the shirt for my mom. She loves goats. She has two left now. So and like I said, let me go back. This was $3.04 for the goat stencil. So I've got a nice big t-shirt for her for this. And I've got spray adhesive for stencils to adhere it to the shirt. And I'll use this as backing in between the two layers of the shirt to prevent it from actually going through to the back part of the shirt. So it just stays on the one piece of part of the shirt, not go through. So this is excellent. And it's a good thing they put that in there, because my postal, you can see this, my postal decided to crinkle it up and cram it into my mailbox. Good thing I got out there within just a few minutes of it being out there. It wasn't out there very long. Literally just a few minutes. I saw him pull up and I went out there as fast as I could, you know, walk, which isn't very fast. And I'm going to leave these set this way and see if just the heat of my house will try and just help them get back into natural shape. And I wanted to say thank you all so much. And don't forget the Beebeecraft program. That's really a really great program. I've loved working with them. They've got great molds, great other products. I've used a number of their products. I can't remember the name of it now. It was for the UV, the open back bezels. Those were some of my favorite ones from the last ones that I got. Yeah, they've got all sorts of different things on there. So, like I said, go check them out. They've got all different kinds of crafts here. Let me see if I can read off a few other things that they have on there. They've got jewelry wire. They've got different types of beads. They've got different pendants. And they'll have the clasps so you can make your, attach your own for whether it's for bracelets, whether it's for necklaces, um, earrings as well, necklace, toggles, different types of metals. They have sterling silver, copper, aluminum wire, silver wire, Panda Hall, In Beads, Sunny Clue, Unicraftal, Honey Handy, Beebeecraft is some of the brand names that they carry. Make your own earrings, pearl necklaces. I don't know if they actually carry pearls or if it's just, the pearl look. They actually carry the stuff to do your own beadable pins. Let's see. Just trying to let you know some of the other things they have on here. Jewelry findings, cabochons, crimp beads and covers, my apologies, sorted finding kits, bales, cabochon settings, brooch findings, stamping tag, jump rings, pins, bead cap and cone, earring settings, pendants and charms, bead spacers, clasps, jewelry beads. There's glass beads, gemstone beads, seed and bugle beads, European beads, rhinestone beads, acrylic beads, lampwork beads, Tibetan style beads, wood and nut beads, shell and pearl, cubic zirconia beads, clay beads, metal beads, fuse beads. They've got a spot that's, click for what's on sale, tools and supplies. They've got jewelry, display cases, tools, storage and packaging, stringing materials, thread and cord, wire, chain, finished string for jewelry, and a lot more other brand names too that they have on here as well. So yeah, they've got a lot of stuff on here. It's a great company. It is from overseas, so you just have to be a little patient for it to arrive, but they're very great to work with. I highly recommend them. Like I said, this is my second order for doing it. It's technically my third order, but it's the second one for the video program. I will be doing videos showing some of the other stuff that I bought personally from them, because I did a big order buying some stuff personally, which was the quite a bit more of the large open back bezels, because I got some more inlays. And I have more inlays coming too, because she made more, so I bought more. But yeah, this is great company, Beebeecraft. So definitely go check them out. Like I said, everything will be linked in the comments in the description. I'm sorry, not in the comments, in the description. I hope everybody has a great, wonderful day and rest of the week. And I will get this uploaded